Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm Alfred K, Njamnshi. I'm Professor of Neurology and Neuroscience at the University of Yaoundé 1, Faculty of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences, Chief of Neurology in the Yaoundé Central Hospital, and I am founder and Executive Director of Brain Research Africa Initiative BRAIN, based in Geneva and in Yaoundé, Cameroon. I usually teach my students by saying that if the brain does not work, the rest does not matter. And UNGA is a place where all world leaders come to take decisions about the world. And it is important for us to be able to discuss the brain, discuss how the brain affects what we think, we do, disease, normal brain function. And I think that it's important for us to be here to make our voice heard so that what is decided here can be translated into actions in countries, in regions, and then in specific communities, so that at the end, patients will be able to benefit from the innovations and the technological developments that are done, and we would promote our health by promoting brain health, and we would have better well-being and better economic productivity and maintain our health for the future. The brain is such a complex organ, and no single organization, no single, however big, no single country, however great and powerful, can try to get around the brain to understand it alone. So we need to come together. We have an African proverb which says that if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So I think that it's important to collaborate, because it is only through collaboration that we can bring our competencies together, bring our different specializations, bring our different talents together, and try to tease out and understand this complex and noble organ that is the brain. So collaborations are necessary. One other thing that I usually tell my students is that the neuron is a fascinating cell. It does a lot of great things. It fires on its own, but a single neuron is completely useless. The power of the brain is in the multitudes, the billions of the connections between neurons to form networks, and the connections of networks and networks and networks. So getting a human brain, a single human brain, is great. You can have great ideas, but just as a single neuron, a single human brain is just a single brain. So when we connect our brains together, you can't imagine the power of what we can pull together. So collaborations are very important. And for example, we've seen several collaborations in this meeting. For the first time, we've seen cancer experts and the cancer community having conversations with the brain health community. We've had a session today, early this afternoon, hosted by the Swiss permanent mission at the United Nations here, that brought together scientists, care providers, diplomats, and political leaders to discuss the issues around equity, easy access, early detection of NCDs, including cancers and brain health issues. And we see that people are focusing together, and all of this is happening, and people are coming together, focusing on working together to help improve the condition of the human being and the planet, and this is great.